Shh. Be very quiet. All right. Here we have the Freightliner Classic at her natural habitat. My driveway. All right. So here's what we're working on. So we talked about those airbags. So what we're getting ready to do is I'm gonna show you guys here. This is the airline that goes to it. So first tool we're gonna need for this job. If you have a specific tool that helps release the snap ring for the quick connect for the airbag, you use that. I just used a pair of needle nose pliers, went around the line, pushed down, pushed the line in, and then pulled the line out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my pry bar here. You have to press these two tabs in right here, and this will actually pry out from up under here. I may have to jack the truck up, I'm not sure yet, but give me a second here and I'm gonna figure this out and I'll be right back. All right guys, so we are back. As you see, I gotta finish prying it out, but it can be done. Do not attempt this job unless you have a semi jack, a bottle jack, some type of jack that will support this truck, your truck, and lift up the frame enough. You don't even have to even clear the tire, but you have to jack it up enough, not on the leaf spring, but jack it up on the frame somewhere, and a point where you'll be able to get the airbag to get the clearance like you just saw. So bear with me here for 1 second and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, so you see it's out. To get it out, just hit it with a little hammer, a little sledge will help knock it out. Sometimes this will be stuck into there, but yeah, so you can see this is an OEM one, just like the one I bought, just a little stretched out because I stretched it trying to pull it out before I had to use the hammer. So this right here sits into the base that you just saw, and there's only one way you can put these on. You can't mess this part up. So I'm gonna go ahead and this is the quick connect fitting where your new airline goes. It's very easy, you can't mess this up. I'm gonna show you guys shortly. All right guys, so as you see, show you from the bottom, it is back inside the mounting hole or the holding hole. And so there's no bolts in this. There is these tabs. There's another tab right over here. It's self-guiding, and then you have it guides into the mount right here. So it's pretty easy and self-explanatory. Now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead, show you real easy. It's really simple. Just take this airline, go right back to this valve. Here we go, like this. Push in. You'll feel it click kind of twice. It's in there now. Quick connect fitting. I put my little wire loom back on, or line loom, and this one's installed. So now I'm going to go ahead and let this side down. I'm going to go ahead and actually knock out the shock. And yeah, the video is more so really about to show you guys how to do this. I'm gonna knock out this shock real quick, and once I get done with this side, we're gonna move to the next side, which is blown, and show you the carnage on that side. Alrighty. Alright guys, so as you can see now, here's the drag link that we put on before. This is the driver's side, the one that blew out on me. So I have the truck supported and jacked up right now. So I'm gonna show you. Now, take my pry bar. There we go, up in there. Just kind of comes right out. It's wet right now. Spray a PB blaster on it, but alrighty. So I'm gonna just kind of pry it up out of here, out the bottom one. Let's see. Let's go around this side. So we're gonna take this out like this. It's almost ready to come out. There we go. There we go. We're gonna go ahead and take this out now. Oh my gosh. Let's see what we're working with. Oh, there's the carnage. So, you see now I'm gonna clean this out, blow this clean, clean this up. So now, look at our next thing now. Let's see. Alrighty. Oh, and also they go into this first hole right here, not this hole. Mine, when it popped, it actually kicked itself up out of here and was stuck in here the way the force blew it back. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you. So let's see what happened to her. Ooh, man. Blew this thing's head clean off. Y'all see that? Yep, she is shot. So this is the failure I dealt with. So the Firestone airbag. Okay, so this was OEM, like the ones I have now. So I'm gonna show you now. So we have this whole area cleaned out. I'm gonna clean this out, and I'll come back to you shortly. All right, guys. So now we are going to get ready to put our new airbag in. So you cannot put these in wrong, and if you do, there is something severely wrong. So I'm gonna take this in like this. So take this off so I can relieve the air out. Okay. So we're going, like I said, it goes into that one, so we're going to compress it. So, okay, I think she's in there. Pull it back through, clicks in, you hear it click into place. And I believe it's just like that. We are done. Should we pull up? Got an angle. I want to make sure it's all nice and straight. Okay. Now we're just going to take our line. Let's see. So let's see. We'll take our line really quickly. Take the line, just go like this. Well, first off, let's make sure we. There's a couple tabs that need to be pushed in. There we go. She is locked in now. Now I'm gonna show you guys something. I'm gonna show you guys something. These little tabs right here lock in. They hold it up into place. It goes in that first hole, like I told you, not the one that sits recessed back. You can probably see a little bit of it right there. There's two holes. Very simple. Now, just oily because of like I said, I sprayed the PB blaster there to get the line to remove. So let's see, make sure I'm gonna grab me a towel real quick and I'm gonna hook this line up. Okay, so guys, we have the wire loom back over the line, nice and cleaned up in there. Everything is, you see them tabs, it's clipped back in. Everything is locked in like it's supposed to. So we're gonna get ready for the final test. I'm gonna air it up here shortly. Quick disclaimer, I'm gonna let you guys know. To do this job, you're going to need a pair, well, in my case, to release the quick fitting if it's stuck and you can't do it by hand. Either a quick connect release tool, or for me, needle nose pliers. Number 2, a nice size pry bar. Okay. Now, like I said, a sledgehammer in case you need to just tap the piece out. And biggest part of the job you need a way to jack the vehicle up, whether it be a bottle jack, a truck jack, something. You have to be able to lift the vehicle. I happen to have a friend that had some equipment. He's able to help me get this truck lifted up. So yes, now I'm going to go ahead now and do the final test. All right, guys, so what do you think? And they're in there. They look nice and good. Show you the other side real quick, make sure everything else looks kosher. Well, what do you know? Nice brand new airbags. OEM spec, OEM parts. So I'm gonna take you guys back over here really quickly. Just walk you guys back over here, and I'm gonna show you guys. This job will be done with these 3 tools right here. Here you guys go. That's how to do this job and change the front steer airbags on a Freightliner Classic with the Hendrickson suspension. Thank you guys for tuning in, because you could have been anywhere else, but you're here with me. Till next time, and to the next project, I'm out.